If you've ever thought, I want to sell online, but I don't have the time or energy to figure everything out, this is the shortcut I wish I had earlier. Instead of you doing everything, you hand the work to an AI team that actually builds and runs your store with you. That's what I tested with Genstore AI. I went from idea to a real, browsable store in a single session. And here's how that actually plays out. Genstore AI is an AI-native e-commerce platform that lets you launch a professional store in minutes. But the real difference is how it works under the hood. It's built around an AI agent team that acts like your founding team. Not just tools that assist you, but agents that actually run things in the background. When you first log in, you don't get a blank, intimidating dashboard. You get an AI onboarding flow that asks what you want to build. For my test, I described the niche, the vibe, who it's for, and the types of products I wanted. A few clear questions later, the setup and configuration were already happening while I focused on the idea itself. From there, the super agent takes over. This is the coordinator. It plans, launches, and manages the rest of the AI agent team. Instead of clicking through endless menus, it assigns work to specialized agents like a real founding team would. The launch agent handles the boring but critical stuff like domain setup, payments, shipping, and connecting tools automatically. The product agent creates the product listings end-to-end, titles, selling points, descriptions, and even product images that match your brand tone. The design agent refreshes the storefront using reference images or styles you like, adjusting layout, colors, and visuals until it actually feels like a real brand, not a template site. Marketing and optimization are handled by the campaign agent, which helps launch and improve campaigns when you're ready to drive traffic. The analytics agent shows what's working and what needs fixing without you digging through confusing dashboards. And the support agent handles common customer questions and product recommendations, so you're not stuck answering the same emails all day. They don't just assist, they actually run the store in the background. That's the big shift here. Design is usually where non-designers get stuck, so I leaned hard on the design agent. I gave it a reference style and overall feel, and it transformed a basic starting point into something that looked intentional. No dragging blocks for hours, no font obsession. You can just iterate with the agent until it feels right. For products, Genstore gives you access to a large catalog of dropshipping options, so you're not starting from zero. The product agent did the heavy lifting, pulling in products and generating consistent listings across the store. Instead of manually writing copy for every item, I ended up with a coherent catalog fast. Genstore also includes dozens of ready-made templates for different niches and styles. Not thousands, but enough to cover the main use cases. I picked one that fit my category and let the design agent adapt it, which made the store feel tailored instead of generic. For beginners, side hustlers, or local businesses, that combo of templates plus AI design makes a huge difference. What stood out during testing was how many small tasks I never touched. Product copy tweaks, layout adjustments, basic support replies. That's usually the stuff that burns people out, especially solo founders. Offloading it lets you focus on your product, your audience, and your ideas. So who is this for? Beginners who want to start selling without drowning in tech. Creators launching a brand or merch without hiring a full team. Small or local businesses that want a modern storefront without paying an agency. And even existing sellers who are tired of juggling 10 different tools. It's not a magic money button. You still need a real product and real demand, and you should review what the agents generate. But compared to traditional platforms, this feels like AI actually running workflows instead of just generating text. You're not chatting about ideas, you're giving instructions to a team that executes inside your store. If you want to see this in action, check out Genstore AI and try building a store around your own idea. Let the agents handle the boring parts while you focus on what you're actually good at. If this helped, subscribe for more deep dives into tools I actually use, and drop a comment with how you'd use Genstore for your own brand, side hustle, or local business.